Cooling and heating your budget. The cost of HVAC replacement revealed Pro HVAC Contractor of Glendale LLC. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on HVAC replacement costs. Let's start by exploring the different types of HVAC units and their average replacement costs. From central air conditioners to heat pumps, we'll cover it all. Now, let's dive into the factors that can affect the cost of HVAC replacement. Climate conditions, ductwork, home age, and HVAC unit features all play a role. Did you know there are hidden costs associated with HVAC installation? Building permits, inspections, labor, and disposal fees can add up. Estimating HVAC installation prices can be tricky, but we're here to help. We'll provide tips on obtaining quotes and comparing prices. Negotiating HVAC installation prices can save you money. Learn how to discuss prices with contractors and reach agreements. HVAC replacement is important for home comfort and energy efficiency. Discover the benefits of upgrading your HVAC system. For more information, visit us at https://www.prohvacofglendale.com.